Being an imaginative and exceptional token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous of late, which truly is very critical. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's in store for this money. In this video, we will show you our Nexo value forecast and offer why we think it is a wise venture. Nexo outline. Made in 2018, Nexo is a digital currency in view of the Ethereum blockchain. It utilizes the ERC20 symbolic norm. Nexo flaunts many elements that make it one of a kind and a truly wise venture, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Here especially are some of them, or so they thought. Nexo offers moment credits to individuals who need to involve their digital currencies with respect to all plans and purposes insurance. This implies you can get cash against your crypto possessions without selling them. Nexo has an organization with Credissimo, one of Europe's driving monetary organizations, or so they thought. This gives Nexo much validity and shows that remaining in a genuinely significant way is here. Nexo pays interest on all stores made on their foundation incredibly. This is an incredible approach to, in every practical sense, procure automated revenue and one reason why we think Nexo is a strong venture decision, which is very huge. The interest for moment credits involving digital currencies as security sort of is developing, and Nexo is one of the conspicuous stages here. Nexo specialized investigation. As indicated by verifiable information, Nexo is by all accounts a digital money with mooning potential. It answers well to crypto market changes and has sufficient pattern backing to shoot up in its team in a significant way. The Nexo Truly token at present just has half of its all-out supply available for use. The cryptographic money's market capitalization is, at any rate, at the hour of composing, inside the main 100 on CoinMarketCap. These things highlight Nexo having ideal kind of long-haul possibilities, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Here is the Nexo specialized examination performed by TradingView and refreshed continuously. In the event that it is giving a purchase signal, the latest thing is bullish, and Nexo's cost is probably going to ascend sooner rather than later. On the off chance that the gadget gives a sell signal, the cost of the Nexo digital currency could explicitly go down in the next few days or hours. Nexo value expectation by specialists. Nexo is one of the 100 greatest digital currencies on the planet by market cap, so it is nothing unexpected that a lot of different crypto specialists have made their own cost gauges for this token. Here are some of them, which is genuinely huge. Predicts a typical conjecture cost of $1.10 in a year for Nexo tokens. They accept that this computerized resource has a lot of potential, and they are bullish on its drawn-out possibilities. Right now, they anticipate that it should for the most part have a return for money invested of more than 850% in 5 years, which generally is genuinely huge. Is more moderate in its Nexo gauge. This stage in a real sense is negative on the token over the long haul and accepts Nexo's value worth will go beneath 50 cents in mid-2023. Nexo value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Nexo will be 83 cents. The genuinely most extreme level that the Nexo cost can really reach is 93 cents, or so they thought. In every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost is normal around 86 cents. Nexo value conjecture for September 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 79 cents in September 2022, or so they thought. Its certainly least and most extreme costs can commonly be anticipated at 72 cents and at 81 cents, individually. October 2022, Nexo value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are especially prepared to report their estimate for the Nexo cost in October 2022. The really least exchanging cost may be 79 cents, while the greatest could reach 85 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 82 cents. Nexo value conjecture for November 2022. Incredibly, crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Nexo in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Nexo rate they foresee could basically be around 85 cents in November 2022 in an unobtrusive way. It can drop to 82 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 89 cents. December 2022, Nexo value figure, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Around mid-year 2022, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at 86 cents on really normal. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 93 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 83 cents in that frame of mind amazingly. Nexo value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.23. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.53. Overall, the exchanging cost could by and large be $1.27 in 2023. Nexo value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo, in 2024, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most certainly greatest costs, about $1.74 and $2.13, separately. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost generally is $1.81. Nexo value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have dissected the costs of Nexo and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.66, while its most extreme can reach $3.11. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $2.73. Nexo value forecast 2026 in a significant manner. In light of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists, the accompanying most certainly greatest and least Nexo costs in a real sense are normal in 2026, $4.56 and $3.68. By and large, it will be exchanged at $3.82. Nexo value forecast 2027. Crypto specialists basically are continually investigating the changes of Nexo, which most certainly is very huge. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $5.88. It could drop to at least $5.69, yet it actually could reach $6.42 all through 2027. Nexo value expectation 2028 in a significant manner. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan gauges at the cost of Nexo in a significant manner. It in every practical sense, is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $7.98 and $9.